ブラックヌードルやな。
Hi. We are on To Hiến Thành Street.
To
Hiến Thành. It's one of the oldest streets in Hanoi. So as you can see, a lot of people they often spend their breakfast to these shops around here. And you can show your camera over there.
Yeah.
A lot of people go there to enjoy their breakfast.
So is this restaurant famous?
Very famous.
Very famous?
Yeah, their history lasted for 100 years.
Yeah, we try. And the first menu is popular.
The popular food of that shop is, steamed rice roll.
Steamed rice and roll?
Yeah, steamed rice roll. Or we just say Bánh Cuốn. Bánh Cuốn.
Bánh Cuốn?
Yeah.
Bánh Cuốn.
That's Vietnamese name that is the most popular in that shop. So they also have other things, but just try Bánh Cuốn.
Go.
Yeah.
Let's go.うわ、すごいとこやな、ローカルだな。あれは何を食べてんのかな。水餃子みたいなの食べてるの。これ何やろ。これを食べるんやね。
Reservation between the Vietnamese sausage and also grilled pork. That one.
This one ね。
Chinese Vietnamese sausage. It is in grilled pork.
Yeah.
They also, push the meat on, the chopstick and put inside sauce like this. That thing.
3 Banh Cuon.
Chép 2 bánh cuốn chả thịt, 1 bánh cuốn chả không thôi. 2 chả thịt, 1 là chả thường. Là 3 suất. 3 đúng không? Em chỉ ăn chả thường thôi.
Do you eat Vietnamese food every day?
Vietnamese food?
Of course.
I live in Vietnam.
もう来た、早いな。うわ、すごい。
Wow.
ほんでこれはライス、ヌードル、and this soup is
This is fish sauce.
sauce.
Yeah, fish sauce. And you can see on the top they have kind of like fried shalu.
これ何やろ、豚？ポ？
Yeah, pork.
ポ？
And the yellow one is a fried shalu.
シャル？
Yeah.
シャル？ What is シャル？
Shalu is kind of like, onion.
Onion ね。
And
kind
they
slice.
Make them very small pieces and fried with some oil. And before that pork is like fried shalu.
シャル？
Yeah. And coriander on the top is my favorite Vietnamese food.
Vietnamese food. Yeah, we eat.
Yes.
これが
Camport. This is camport. You know
Camport.
Yeah. And then we're sweeten them like this.
Yeah.
We got the sour of the camport. Yeah. It's really combined well with the taste of fish sauce. And you can have some slice of chili. Nothing inside. You just cut the chili into the small pieces.
Small pieces.
And then because I cannot eat something too much spicy, so I just have only one piece
Only
of
one
that.
piece?
And then I will mix together. I really like this, this pie. Vietnamese sausage.
Vietnamese sausage.
Yeah.
Put the noodle into this sauce.
Yes. Like this. So This is the layer of the rice roll.
Nice.
Put inside.
Oishi? Good?
Of course.
Of course.
I love it.
じゃあ何かな、どんな味やろ。あー、何の味や。
味はどうですか？
食べたことのある味じゃな、なんなんやろこれ。
Hay là họ cho mình thịt?
Không biết.
Anh thử lấy lên xem một thịt. chả này là chả yên rồi, anh gọi là chả nướng.
なんだろう。
Nó giống như là
これはスライス。豚のスライス。
nó là như
Dạ. Thịt
This
xay.
is Vietnamese sausage. In Vietnamese, we call chả quế.
コーン
Chả quế.
チャウェイ。これが
Yeah, coriander, and you put
コリアン
coriander, or you can say the herb.
ハーブ。いやいや。
That's it. And put it inside.
ナッツヌードルか。
It's not noodle.
だけどライクヌードルやな。君はちょっと残したね。
No,
How was the
so
taste?
Cool.
So was it
Now
delicious?
I have tried 5 pies of Vietnamese sausage, and then because I eat a lot of pork, so that's why my stomach has no space for these kind of things.
Yeah, yeah.
Thank you for watching this Nike channel and also subscribe below it. And yeah, I hope you get a more enjoyable moment with channel Mommy Miss Girls. Bye bye.